Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the Real Kitchen, home to delicious food made simple. In today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish. It's very popular in Somalia, it's so delicious and it's normally eaten for breakfast. It's called Kili. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. Our dish is called kidneys, so what we need is about 2 to 3 kidneys. Make sure to wash them first, and then we're going to get a pan, add some oil, heat the pan really hot for a few minutes, and then we're going to add in our onions. Saute the onions for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add in our kidneys. This dish is very quick and you need a really high heat. We're going to start adding our garlic, minced garlic. I've added 1 teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, followed by some cumin powder. And then also we're going to add in some coriander powder, some fresh coriander, paprika, lots of seasoning to make this dish really delicious. Make sure to mix everything, and we're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes on high heat. And now we're going to add in some lemon juice for that little bit of citrusy flavor. You can also add a little bit of water at this stage to give you a little bit of a gravy. I've added some fresh spinach, chili flakes. They're all optional. You can totally leave it out. But if you want that little kick and some greenery, go ahead and add. And then after that, we're going to cover our dish for about 5 minutes on a medium heat, and our dish is all done. The smell is amazing. You can serve this dish with some Somali pancake, also known as Laxoox. I've also added some sliced onions on top. You can add mixed peppers on top to give you a little bit of a crunchy. Otherwise, our dish is all done. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. If you have, don't forget to press the like button. If you have a question, do let me know in the comments. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.